There's one thing that I haven't been able to say thank you for yet, and that's this one. The 100,000 subscribers silver button. It's because of you that I'm holding this one in my hand. And I did film an unboxing and everything about it, but I managed to... We're going in a Sasak wedding today, so therefore I'm dressed up. But I managed to erase the clips on the memory card before I got it on my computer. And therefore I haven't been able to say thank you yet, but really, thank you so much. Now we're getting ready for wedding. Look at my ladies. Woo! Very beautiful. Again, thank you so much.